In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install VS Code in your system. As a web developer, the first stage, the starting point is to download and install VS Code. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do that and also create your first web page. So guys, let's get started. Open your Google browser and search for VS Code. You enter this first one, you click on it and you choose your operating system. Let's Windows. Windows is my operating system. You wait for a few minutes to finish downloading. The download is complete. You open it. You click I accept the agreement. Click next. You allow these things. If they are not ticked, you tick them on your system. But if they are all ticked, you allow them. You allow it. Click next. Click install. And wait for it to install. Click finish. So your VS Code is created. Look at it here on the desktop. So the next thing now is we've downloaded the VS Code and install it on our computer. The next thing now is to create our first web page by creating HTML file. So before then, you have to create a folder. You right click on your desktop, go to new and click on folder. You can name the folder anything you like. So in this case, I am going to name my folder web development. Then I open my VS Code. I double click on it. I open it. This is now the interface of the VS Code. Say new file. If you want to create new file, open folder, and all the rest. So you say open folder, the folder we created. If I click here, open the folder. It was on my desktop. I click on desktop and I select it. Look at it on my VS Code. Now, but before then, let us install some extension. We are going to install few extensions. So you click this icon here is the extension icon. You click on it and you click, will let us install Lifesaver. The Lifesaver will help you to save your work as you are coding. It's automatically saving it. If you click Control S, it saves it also. But Lifesaver is very important. So click on this Lifesaver. It's already on my system. The name of the developer is Rich Weekday. 65,736,959 downloads. So it's the most popular. So you install it. I already have it on my system. That's why it's saying disable or uninstall. But if you don't have it, if this is your first time, it will read here install. So you click install and install it. Let's put extension. Let's put live preview. Live preview, as you are coding, you are previewing the browser. So that is what it is. So here I said disable uninstall because I have already installed it. That's why it's saying this. If I have not installed it, I will say install. So that is it. Let's look at another one. Let's look at Prettier. Prettier. I've also installed it. It helps to organize your work. So that is it. So let's now write our first code. You open the web development folder you uploaded on your VS Code and you create a file. Click here. This is creating a new file. This is creating a folder. Folder is different from file. You create file inside a folder. But I've already created this folder already. So for tutorial purposes, I'm using this particular one now, web development, which I've created already on the desktop. So now I click on new file and I give my file the name I want to give it. So in this case, I'm giving it index.html. HTML is the name of the file. So the after the dots, you can give it any name before the dot. It can be index, it can be anything you want to name it, but immediately after the dot, it must be followed by the name of the file, which is HTML. So next, you click, you type exclamation and enter, and it brings this boilerplate. This boilerplate, it will show you this boilerplate. Then you begin your first coding by writing the word. Let's use H1 first. But before then, let's bring out our preview so that we'll be seeing what we are doing. You right click here and type show preview. Let me collapse here. So our first web page we are writing now, this is the browser. This is the VS Code. So let's write our first page. Hello world. So this is installing HTML, installing VS Code, and the writing of our first web page. This is what we want to achieve.